Hello everyone, this is Imran Ali here. Welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to talk about how to stop your emails on Gmail from going to spam. So as you can see, we are at right now, WordPress, and for now, for this thing we need to install a plugin, and it's very easy to understand. So right now I'm just going to open plugins, and it would take some time, and I end it up over here. So I'm just gonna uh, you know update every single thing. After that I will meet you. Now head over to add new, because we need new plugin, right? And after that, go to top right corner in the search area and search for like WP Mail SMTP. So this is the plugin we are looking for, and the first one is this one. Just remember that like it the developers for this plugin is WP Forms by itself, and just click on install. After that, click on activate, obviously, and here we are. So just you can just go back to dashboard and just start from the start. Otherwise you can just start from over here. I'm just gonna click on let's get started, and here we are. So the first step is choose your SMTP mailer. So we are going to choose the service for obviously we need to apply that on our email, right? So right now we are talking about Gmail. So these all are the options, but obviously we are talking about Gmail right now. And if I click on it and click on save and continue, so it will ask you like Google Gmail mailer. The Gmail mailer works well for sites and so send low number of emails. So all of that, I'll just click on I understand and continue, and after that here we are. So what you need to do from over here, right now we are going to open a new tab which is called console.cloud.google.com, and you will end up over here actually, like here, and you have so many options on the left side. So first thing we are going for like library, so we are going to look for library. um I have that already, so I'm just going with that because I have already opened that. I just showed that for you. And after that, just scroll down and look for Gmail. So you can see there's a lot of things over here, but we are looking for Gmail, right? Click on that, and you need to enable API for Gmail, right? Click on that and wait for it. So now you can see that we have enabled our Gmail API, and everything looks good over here. So obviously if you have multiple, like if you have opened multiple different Gmail API or anything else you are doing, so what you can do, you just click on over here, create new project, name that, and obviously whatever you are going to do from your library, it will end up on that project, not on this. So it's actually, you can just manage that all easily. So from now on, what do you need to do? You need to create credentials. So on the top right, you can see your credentials. Click on it and it will take you at credentials options, and obviously which API are you using. I'm using Gmail API, obviously, right? And this is the user data. So I'm just going to click on it and I'm going to go for the next one. Click on that, it will take you right over here. So here we are going to put in information like what application we are going to use and what like the email we are going to support, all those things will be over here. So I'm gonna write down application name, like whatever, like WP mail SMTP, and user support email, you can enter that obviously from over here. I'm just going with this one, and after that I'm going with the same one from like over here, as you see, Imran Ali, and go ahead and click on save and continue. Simple is that, everything is going very smooth. After that, you will end up over here like scopes, and this is optional if you want to go and read that out. It's not that necessary for me to fill this out and tell you everything. I think you just go ahead and click on save and continue, and after that, OAuth client ID. So what is this? So right now we are going to tell like whatever we are going to use for this Gmail. So I'm going with the web application, and what web application it's called, it like obviously WP mail SMTP, simple, right? And after that add your URL from like over here from your WordPress like this, and authorize redirect URL. I'm going to copy that and I'm going to paste that over here. Simple, right? Everything's going very smooth. Create, wait for a while, and it will end up over here, and download your credentials. So from now on it's going to be very smooth and every technical work has been done. So now we are going to publish this application whatever we have chosen and tell like to our ID, right? So first of all copy this client ID and paste that somewhere else, and open OAuth consent screen from over here. So once you open that, you will end up over here, and what you need to do, just click on publish app, otherwise it will be on testing right now. So we need to publish that, right? So once you publish this, just publish this and go back to your this page and go and click on this credentials again and open this in a new link tab. Once you do that, go back to that page, and after that you will end up over here and see this, and go over here on the right side, click on edit auth client. Once you click on it, you will end up over here and you have your client ID, client secret, and creation date. So these will apply over here. So I'm just gonna do that real quick. So now as you can see, we end up over here, and everything has been very smooth. So from name, you can just name that like the name that emails are sent from, and from like select which email address you would like to send your emails from, and after that everything is very smooth. Just click on save and continue and add details. Everything will be very smooth. You just need to add information accordingly, and what name you are going to give in and what application you are going to use, all of that. So I hope you understand every single thing, and this will stop like your emails to go in your spam folder. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand every single thing. Please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.